did you like this project? Did you see the walkthrough? And do you want to make exactly the same with everything that I used? Then I have a kit for you and I'm going to show you exactly what's inside. Okay guys, alright, so everything is going to be shipped in a nice sturdy mailbox. And when you open it up, this is inside. First of all, my basic backgrounds paper collection. It fits so amazing with these collections. So there are 54 sheets inside. You have 9 double-sided, so 6 sheets each. It's a 170 gram and it's A4 size, and I just love it. I can't wait to work with the other collections that also come with this one. So that's included. And then we go to this bag. Let me open this up. See what's all inside here. Alright. Okay. Let me put this out. Just a second. Alright guys, of course we have the welcome note to make this gorgeous project with all the pages. And you don't have to need that it's just a welcome note. It's not particularly needed. Of course, the paper collection from Alchemy of Art. You get one 8x8 pack and the cut apart, a set of accessories for self-cutting. So there are 6 pages, and trust me, you will have a blast cutting all of these. Maybe you don't, maybe you are not a cutter, but I really loved cutting these out, and you did see the walkthrough. These images are just amazing. But please watch tutorial 1 and I will get you a really, that's not long, but I will get you a good walkthrough for these papers. But that is included. Then of course my, it's not a trash bag, but my black that I used for the box to make it better, for the hinges. That is included. Of course a clear sheet is included for the clear pockets. Of course the ribbon set, as always. And there is a set, there are 3 pieces, also a black one inside, of the, I call these little cute sentiment stickers. Absolutely gorgeous. There are some with gold, some with black ink, so, but that was random. And of course I could not resist to put these stripes, this golden white stripe packages inside, because I made those name tags or note tags. And if you watch the tutorial, you will definitely see these passing by. So now you can make these yourself. Trust me, there is also a black piece inside here, black and white. And then there is a nice bag full with bronze embellishments. Of course, enough brads and eyelets inside, and all the keys and the ornaments, the corners, everything is inside here. So it's a big bag with all the metal embellishments. And then that's all what's in the kit to create this. What's not in the kit is the cardstock. I used black Clairefontaine 160 gram. Does not need to, you can use your own cardstock. And I used a pearl gray also to create this nice edge. So this box is made with layers of cardstock. There was no chipboard needed. I only made this with cardstock. Layers of layers of layers. So that is why you see all this white is coming back, and then another layer of black, and then another layer of design paper, and then these edges I made that with that black plastic bag that you see, so it's not ripping. So that is perfect to have these flaps. You don't want to rip that off. So, but everything else is inside, guys. Do you like it? It's phenomenal. I really love this project. It's so cool. So if you want to make this project, then be fast, because I have a limited edition for this kit. The Alice in Wonderland mini album in a box. Send me an email and you get one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.